Franklin Templeton, a firm managing $1.7 trillion, just tokenized 5 real-world ETFs directly on Ondo Finance. Real stocks, real bonds, real gold, trading almost 24/7, all on-chain. While every other altcoin has been bleeding for weeks, Ondo is the one asset in crypto right now with a legitimate institutional catalyst behind it. And this is why I think Ondo token is primed for takeoff, heading to 50 cents to even $1 in the upcoming weeks. This video, I'll show you exactly what Ondo Finance actually did that make Ondo token holding strength while other cryptos coin drop, and the exact price levels that Ondo could realistically hit at the end of 2026. Let's get into it. Let me quickly break this down for you so it's super clear, because what happens next could completely change how people value Ondo tokens, so don't skip this part. Ondo Finance is one of the top projects in tokenized stocks and ETFs. In simple words, they take traditional assets such as stocks, ETFs, and treasuries in real life and turn them into tokens on the blockchain. This means you can access and trade them directly from your crypto wallet almost 24 hours a day without the usual problems and restrictions of some traditional brokers. Tokenized stocks have grown very fast. The sector grew nearly 3,000% in 2025, going from almost nothing to close to $1 billion. Institutions are rushing to bring real Wall Street products on chain, and Ondo has become one of the strongest players. Here's how dominant Ondo is right now. Ondo currently controls over 50% market share in the entire tokenized stocks sector. Its tokenized securities platform, the Ondo Global Markets, has already surpassed $530 million in TVL. In other words, more than 6 out of every $10 in tokenized stocks and ETFs on-chain belong to Ondo. Now, here's the big update from this week that everyone should pay attention to. Ondo partnered with Franklin Templeton, one of the world's largest asset managers with over $1.7 trillion in assets under management, to tokenize 5 real Franklin Templeton ETFs for the first time. These ETFs are Franklin Focus Growth ETFs, targeting innovative and growth-oriented US companies. We have Franklin US Large Cap Multi-Factor Index ETF for systematic large cap exposure. Then Franklin Responsibly Sourced Gold ETF for responsibly sourced gold exposure. Then Franklin High Yield Corporate ETF for high yield corporate bonds. And finally, the Franklin Income Equity Focus ETF for income focused equities. So basically covers growth stocks, large cap, fixed income, equity income, and gold ETFs. They are now live and tradable on Ondo Global Markets. Now, don't skip this part because I will explain how this partnership works in simple terms that can push Ondo token price directly to 50 cents to even $1. Here's how it works. Franklin Templeton continues to manage the underlying ETFs the traditional way on the Wall Street side. Ondo buys these shares of ETFs and holds them securely through a special purpose vehicle. From there, Ondo issues blockchain tokens that give you the full economic return, including price movements and reinvested dividends. These tokens are backed one-to-one by real assets. You get the total return exposure without owning the actual ETF shares directly. Now, this is an example, okay? Similarly to how Binance is working with Ondo to bring tokenized stocks and ETFs on the exchange, such as Apple, Tesla, and Nvidia stocks. Before, if you wanted to buy Apple stock, well, you had to open a traditional stock brokerage account. You could only trade during US market hours from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. The process was complicated and the fees were high. Now, thanks to Ondo, you can buy the token version directly on Binance Alpha or Ondo Global Markets using your crypto wallet. You can trade 24 hours a day, buy small amounts, and it is much easier crypto friendly. It works the same way with those 5 Franklin Templeton ETFs. You do not need a US brokerage account. You do not need to wait for market hours. You still receive the full returns through the blockchain tokens. In short, Ondo is building a real bridge between Wall Street and crypto. It makes high quality assets much easier for everyone to access. Now, if you want to purchase these stocks directly on Ondo Global Markets because of some reasons you don't trust Binance, well, first make sure that you are eligible, because these tokenized products are currently available only to investors outside of the United States and certain prohibited or restricted jurisdictions. Next, you have to set up a compatible crypto wallet such as MetaMask or Phantom, connect them to Ethereum mainnet because that's mostly where those tokenized stocks live. Then you need to get some Ethereum as gas fee and stablecoins like USDC to buy the stocks. After that, go to the Ondo Global Markets website and connect your wallet. Complete a quick KYC and onboarding process to confirm your eligibility. Once approved, you can browse the available tokenized assets. Just select the one that you want to buy. Use your USDC to purchase the tokenized ETFs directly on the platform. The system automatically handles the swap if needed, and the tokenized shares are sent straight to your wallet. The minimum investment is just $1, and you can buy fractional amounts. But let's get real. If you only have $1, well, probably don't do this. Just get something nice to eat, okay? Life's been hard. Finally, once you own the tokens, you can hold them for long-term exposure, trade them 24/7, or even use them as collateral in DeFi protocols for additional yields. This structure allows crypto native investors to gain economic exposure to Franklin Templeton's professionally managed ETFs in a fully digital and flexible way. But there's something important that you need to understand: security. The underlying assets are real ETFs managed by Franklin Templeton, a highly respected 79-year-old institution. The tokens are backed one to one by actual shares held in Ondo's special purpose vehicle. Ondo is one of the most established players in the real world asset space with strong custody partners. So, yeah, all parties are super legit. However, you are still exposed to smart contract risk and platform risk, although these risks are considered relatively low compared to other projects. At the end of the day, if it's on chain, it still can be hacked. And if you're buying the tokenized version through Ondo Finance, there are some cons that you need to understand. First, you do not get direct ownership of the ETF shares or any voting rights. If you're an indecisive person, well, then yeah, this one is perfect for you. Trading spreads and fees can sometimes be higher than traditional brokers in the early stage. And regulatory rules are still evolving, so availability depends on your country, and it is currently not available for US investors, which makes sense because they can just buy the real ETFs. In short, if you want flexibility, 24/7 trading, and DeFi composability, then the tokenized version on Ondo is very attractive. If you prefer direct ownership, voting rights, and the most traditional setup, though, buying the original ETF through a regular broker might be better. Choose based on what fits your trading style and risk tolerance. So, where does Ondo go from here? Well, Ondo is quickly becoming the go to platform for institutions with names like BlackRock, Fidelity Investments, and Wisdom Tree already in the ecosystem. And now Franklin Templeton. Every new institution brings more capital, more volume, and more users. And we're already seeing that in the numbers. TVL jumps from 2.7 to 2.9, almost $3 billion. Ondo Global Markets reached $700 million in TVL. This is real capital flowing in. Many investors are excited and have high expectations for the price. What I see here is that Ondo still moves closely with Bitcoin, moving in the 23 to 29 cent zone for nearly 2 months. Lots of way to look at it, but I'm hopeful. So I'd say this is a sign of strong accumulation period. But if Bitcoin breaks down hard and drops decisively below $60,000, then Ondo will likely get dragged lower with the market and reaching the old bottom at around 23 cent. The base case, what I'm looking for now, is if Bitcoin just stabilizes and moving sideways instead of just breaking down. In that situation, Ondo can continue showing relative strength and start pushing toward the next resistance levels, which are 29 to 30 cents, and possibly breaking above this range, heading towards 50 cents or even $1. Now, on the upside, if real world asset narrative continues to stay strong and Bitcoin shifts back to a full on moon mode, then Ondo could push forward to the $1 level, which is roughly a 4x from current prices. But on the bearish side, if the market turns risk off again, wars and bad news keep on and Trump's going crazy on his tweets, then broader weakness across crypto will show. Then Ondo could drop below the 20 cent range along with most altcoins and possibly heading down towards the 15 cent range. So at this point, you're really looking at a setup where everything comes down to which direction the market takes next. And that's exactly why this next phase for Ondo is going to be so important. And that is the full picture on Ondo right now. Tokenized finance is finally shifting from talk to real execution. This week's move with Franklin Templeton shows big institutions are actually still putting real assets on chain and they're choosing Ondo. But Ondo token isn't massively breaking out just yet, but the narrative is building, is there, and Ondo is holding up better than most tokens in this weak market. So personally, I'm fairly bullish on Ondo for the long term. because tokenized stocks and ETFs feel like one of the most practical and real narratives that we have in crypto right now. So I'm actively accumulating Ondo at these levels and will accumulate more as price drops further. If Bitcoin hits back up at the end of 2026, which I think it will, Ondo has a solid shot at leading real world asset trend this cycle. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Daily out.